Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in nutrition and wellness. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. Are you looking for delicious and nutritious protein drinks to fuel your active lifestyle? Well, you're in for a treat because we have some fantastic recipes coming your way that are not only healthy, but also incredibly tasty. Before we dive into the recipes, let's quickly talk about the importance of protein in our diets. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues, supporting immune function, and maintaining healthy hair, skin, and nails. And what better way to get your protein fix than through refreshing and satisfying drinks? All right, folks, it's time to shake things up. We're going to showcase a series of protein drink recipes that are easy to make, packed with nutritious ingredients, and perfect for on the go. Get ready to fuel your body with the goodness it deserves. 1. Creamy Berry Blast. Our first recipe is a creamy berry blast that will tantalize your taste buds. Start with a cup of your favorite mixed berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries work great. Add them to a blender along with a scoop of your preferred protein powder, a handful of spinach, a tablespoon of almond butter, and a cup of almond milk. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour it into a glass. And voila, you have a protein-packed, antioxidant-rich drink to kickstart your day. 2. Tropical Paradise. Next up, we have a refreshing tropical paradise that will transport you to a beach getaway. In a blender, combine a cup of frozen pineapple chunks, half a ripe banana, a scoop of vanilla protein powder, a handful of spinach, and a cup of coconut water. Blend until all the ingredients are well combined. Pour it into a fancy glass, garnish with a pineapple slice, and enjoy the tropical goodness in every sip. 3. Chocolate Peanut Butter Bliss. Who doesn't love the combination of chocolate and peanut butter? Our Chocolate Peanut Butter Bliss drink is protein-packed indulgence. In a blender, combine a frozen banana, a scoop of chocolate protein powder, a tablespoon of natural peanut butter, a cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a drizzle of honey or your preferred sweetener. Blend until creamy and smooth. Pour it into a glass, take a sip, and let the chocolatey goodness melt away your worries. Remember, these protein drinks are not only great as post-workout fuel, but also make for a healthy snack or meal replacement option. That's a wrap for today's protein drink recipes. We hope you found them both delicious and nutritious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes and nutrition tips. And hey, if you have any questions or want to share your own favorite protein drink recipes, leave a comment down below. We love hearing from our amazing community. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.